Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Meanwhile, Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, also visited flood victims across locations in Delta State. In Isoko Kingdom, where he visited internally displaced persons camps in Ozoro and Ole, he donated food items including yams, rice, cows, beans, noodles, etc. to support victims of the flood disaster.
You know, it's a natural disaster. That's why I've come to Isoko Nation. I left only the ICS Center, and I also went to Alaka Grammar School, Zoro here. And thereafter, I'm here again to ascertain the extent of damage, and we pray that the water will just go naturally.
During Oborevwori's visit to Alaka Grammar School in Ozoro, he was given a rousing reception by many of the displaced persons.
You can see the ovation in the camp when he entered. I would say this has been the loudest ovation we've heard. Other donors have come in, but we've never had it this loud. So that is to show that he's a good person.
Make God bless on up now. God bless you. Bless everything. This is when you bring for us. Speaker of the state of as you know. Thank you. Thank you. Do well.
Right Honorable Oborevwori, who was represented by the PDP deputy governorship candidate for Delta State, Sir MAMODE Oyeme, also visited IDP camps in Asaba, Nyocha South local government area, and also Kwale in Ndokwa local government area, respectively. Team Sheriff Oyeme will continue the distribution of relief materials to internally displaced persons affected by the floods that have ravaged 19 local government areas in Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,